Have you ever considered how the humble herb rosemary could impact your brain health? This common kitchen staple, often tossed into our favorite dishes for that extra kick, might be more than just a flavor enhancer. For centuries, rosemary has been revered in various cultures not only for its aromatic appeal, but also for its potential medicinal properties. Interestingly, one of the less known yet fascinating uses of rosemary lies in the realm of cognitive health. Traditional medicine systems across the world have long utilized this herb as a cognitive stimulant. Ancient scholars would weave rosemary into their hair garlands, believing it to enhance memory and concentration. Even today, in some cultures, students are often given rosemary during exams to help them stay focused. So, while we've been relishing rosemary in our roasts and soups, could it be that we've been nourishing our brains too, without even realizing it? But what does modern science say about rosemary's effects on our brains? Let's delve into the facts. As it turns out, rosemary isn't just a flavorful addition to our dishes. This humble herb, a staple in many of our kitchens, has been the subject of intriguing scientific research. Scientists have delved into its potential effects on the brain, and the results are quite fascinating. Let's get a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll keep it light. Rosemary is packed with potent compounds, two of which are rosmarinic acid and camphor. These aren't just tongue-twister names, they're powerful players in the game of cognitive performance. Rosmarinic acid, for starters, is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, our brains are often subjected to oxidative stress and inflammation. These can lead to cognitive decline and memory loss over time. Rosmarinic acid steps in like a superhero, combating these harmful processes and potentially protecting our precious brain cells from damage. Now, let's talk about camphor. You might have heard of it as a component in mothballs or topical pain relievers, but it's also a key compound in rosemary. Research suggests that camphor can increase nerve growth factor production. In simpler terms, it helps in the growth and maintenance of our nerve cells, which is essential for learning and memory. Furthermore, studies have shown that even the scent of rosemary can have an impact on our cognitive abilities. One study found that people exposed to rosemary aroma perform better on memory and concentration tasks. Imagine that. A whiff of rosemary could potentially make you sharper. However, it's important to remember that while the research is promising, it's not definitive. Our understanding of the brain is ever evolving, and more studies are needed to fully understand the impact of rosemary on our cognitive health. So, rosemary might do more than just spice up your meals. It could also boost your brain power. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? The next time you sprinkle rosemary on your roast or inhale its aromatic scent, remember, you might be doing your brain a flavorful favor. But it's not just ingesting rosemary that can have an effect, even the scent can be powerful. Aromatherapy, the therapeutic use of plant-derived aromatic essential oils, is often used to improve mood, change cognitive states, and can also be utilized as a supplemental medicine. One such aromatic wonder is rosemary. Its aroma is more than just a pleasant fragrance. It holds the power to enhance our memory and concentration. Imagine walking into a room filled with the invigorating scent of rosemary. Your senses awaken and you feel a sudden surge of clarity and focus. This isn't just a figment of your imagination. There's science behind it. Several studies suggest that the aroma of rosemary essential oil can enhance a person's concentration and memory capabilities. Researchers at Northumbria University in the United Kingdom conducted one such study. Participants were exposed to the rosemary aroma and then tested on their memory function. Remarkably, those who had been exposed to the rosemary scent performed significantly better than those who had not. The aroma caused an enhancement of performance for overall memory quality and secondary memory factors. But how does this work? It's all down to a compound called 1,8-cineol. It's one of the main chemical components in rosemary essential oil. When you breathe in the aroma of the oil, you're also inhaling this compound. It's absorbed into the bloodstream and then transported to the brain, where it acts on the biochemical systems involved in memory. The scent of rosemary can be a simple, natural, and effective way to enhance mental alertness and memory. So, the next time you need a mental boost, try diffusing some rosemary essential oil in your room, or simply take a moment to inhale its invigorating scent directly from the bottle. The fragrance of rosemary could be a breath of fresh air for your brain. However, as with all things, moderation is key. Yes, the benefits of rosemary can be quite enticing, but it's crucial to remember that too much of a good thing can turn into a not so good thing. Overconsumption of rosemary can lead to several side effects. This includes digestive problems like vomiting, spasms, coma, and in severe cases, pulmonary edema. Yes, it's that serious. So, while a sprig or two of rosemary can be beneficial, a whole bush might not be. And it's not just about the quantity. Certain individuals should exercise caution when incorporating rosemary into their diet or health regimen. Pregnant women, for example, should avoid large amounts of rosemary. Some compounds found in rosemary can potentially affect the uterus, leading to premature contractions or miscarriage. People with bleeding disorders should also be cautious. Rosemary has been known to increase the risk of bleeding and bruising. If you're scheduled for surgery, it's recommended to stop using rosemary at least 2 weeks before the procedure to avoid any potential complications. Those with high blood pressure should also be wary. While rosemary can be beneficial for some, for others, it can cause blood pressure to rise even higher. So it's best to consult a healthcare professional before adding rosemary to your diet. Even if you're the picture of health, it's always wise to start small when introducing a new element into your routine. A dash of rosemary in your pasta sauce, a few drops of essential oil in your diffuser. These are good starting points. Monitor your body's response and adjust accordingly. Before starting any new health regimen, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance based on your individual health profile and help you navigate any potential risks. Remember, while rosemary may have brain-boosting effects, it's not a magic bullet and should be used responsibly. So enjoy the benefits of this fragrant herb, but remember to do so with care and respect for your body's unique needs and responses. So, what have we learned about rosemary and our brains? Well, we've delved into the science, uncovered the power of aromatherapy, and even issued a word of caution. Now, let's summarize what we've discovered about this brainy herb. Rosemary, this common kitchen herb, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants, and it holds a special place in the realm of cognitive health. We've learned that rosemary contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and camphor, which are believed to boost brain function. And we've seen how the herb's potent aroma can stimulate the olfactory nerve, triggering neural responses that can enhance memory and concentration. We also explored the fascinating world of aromatherapy, where rosemary claims a starring role. The herb's distinct aroma, when inhaled, is said to improve mood, reduce stress, and even stimulate cognitive activity. It's like a spa treatment for your mind, refreshing and revitalizing your brain cells. However, as with all good things, moderation is key. While rosemary's effects on the brain are promising, it's important to remember that too much of anything can backfire. Consuming large quantities of rosemary or using its essential oil undiluted can lead to complications, including digestive issues and skin irritation. It's always wise to consult a healthcare provider or a certified aromatherapist before incorporating new elements into your health regimen. In the end, it's clear that rosemary is more than just a culinary delight. It's a powerful tool for cognitive health, offering potential benefits ranging from improved memory to enhanced mood. And while further research is needed to fully understand its impact, the existing evidence certainly makes a compelling case for giving this herb a second thought. So, as we wrap up, let's not forget the humble rosemary sitting in our kitchen racks. It's not just a sprig that adds flavor to our dishes, it's a brainy herb ready to nourish our minds. Next time you're in the kitchen, remember, that sprig of rosemary could do more than add flavor. It could also be feeding your brain.